All right, everybody. So I want to take just a few moments to show us one more time how to submit homework to the Google Classroom. So the app that I'm using is Adobe Scan, and it's down in the bottom right corner of my app screen here. So I'm going to click that and open it up, and that's going to automatically open up my camera. Okay. So I'm going to hold that over this document, and you'll see those, it says capturing, so it like auto captures. If it doesn't auto capture, there's actually a camera button that you can use. You can adjust, where your paper actually is, but the program does a pretty good job of grabbing it the way it should. On the right hand bottom corner, I'm going to click continue. And if we wanted to add another document here, so let's say there was another document to add, we would just set it up and it'll auto capture again for us. And everything looks good there, so I'm going to click continue. And in the bottom right corner here, you see that there's a document with a little 2 on it, so I'm going to click that. And now I can look at, so this is my PDF. So here's page 1, there's page 2. Okay. Before we do anything else, I like to actually change the name. So in the top center there's that little pencil. If you click that, it's going to allow you to enter the name of your document. Okay. So I'm going to start with Mr. V, and then this is investigation 1.3 homework. Okay, and by titling it, that's going to help you find where it is and also help me too. So I'm going to click OK. And then in the top right, it says Save PDF. So I'm going to click Save PDF. And now we've got some options. Okay, so basically the next thing that I want to do, since we already renamed it, if you didn't rename it, you click the little More button here, and you got some options down here. Modify, rename, you can print it, add it to Siri. I'm not really sure how to do that, but anyway. So I don't need that. What I need is the share button. So I'm going to top right, kind of middle of our screen there, we're going to click share. And then the bottom pops up and it says, do you want to share a link or do you want to share a copy? I'm going to click share a copy. And then it's going to pop up. I've got some options here on how to save it. So I can go to Google Classroom. So I could actually upload it directly to Google Classroom. I could use Gmail, so I could actually mail it to myself and then save it and submit it that way. Or you can do Google Drive. So if you have your drive organized, like I showed you in that last video, we can go Drive, and then you're going to select your folder, specifically where you want it. I'm going to show you how to do the classroom submission, though. So I'm going to click Classroom, and then it's going to pop up the different the different classes that I have. So right now, I don't want to submit it to my computer science class. So this little right arrow in the orange color, there's a tiny little right arrow. We're going to click that, and then that pops up all of my different classes that I'm a part of. I'm going to go to Mr. Zavaslak's test class because I'm a student in that class, so that actually allows me to see the same screens you do. And then I have some options here. So it says I can attach it to an assignment or I can do a new post. I want to attach this file to an assignment because Mr. Z made an assignment for me. This is the homework assignment, so I want to attach that. So I'm going to click Attach to Assignment. And then there's only one assignment in this class, which is called Test Math Assignment. So I'm going to click that. Now you will see multiple different assignments here because in math class we've had multiple assignments. So I'm just going to click this, Test Math Assignment. And then it pops up. So there's my file, Mr. V, Investigation 1.3 Homework. And then I'm just going to click the green Turn In button. And as soon as I turn it in, as soon as you, a student, turns it in, I, the teacher, Mr. V, gets a notification that you turned it in, and then you're good to go. Okay? So that's how you use Adobe Scan. If you're not using Adobe Scan, The different programs generally work the same. You just kind of have to mess around with them a little bit and see if you can find out, where to attach it to Classroom or where to send it to Drive or where to send it to your email. So hopefully that provides a little more clarity for you.